Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an updated guide on how to upload videos to TikTok for 2024. Whether you're a beginner looking to post your first video or you're trying to polish up your posting skills, this guide is just for you. So let's jump right into it. First things first, make sure you have the TikTok app installed on your device. Open it up and let's get started. Once you open TikTok, you'll be on the home screen where you can browse content. But today we're here to upload, so let's tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Now you're in the camera view. Here you can either start recording a new video directly by holding down the red record button or upload an existing video from your gallery by tapping upload at the bottom right. After you've selected your video or photo from your gallery, TikTok offers a variety of range of editing tools. Now, firstly, you can add your music by tapping on add a sound. Here you can browse or search TikTok's vast library of music and sounds. After you've chosen your sound, simply tap on next. Now write a caption that captures attention. Before you post, decide who gets to see your video. Tap who can see this video and select public, friends or private. You can also decide if you want to allow comments, duets and stitches right here. After everything looks good, then hit post to share your video with the world. Or if you want to post it later, you can tap drafts to save it. And that's it. You're now ready to upload your videos to TikTok and maybe even go viral in 2024. Remember, the key to success on TikTok is creativity and consistency.